Kevin Hart's insane luxury lifestyle. In the world of comedy and entertainment, Kevin Hart stands out not just for his infectious humor and towering presence on screen, but also for his extravagant lifestyle off it. With a career that has seen him ascend from the stages of stand-up comedy to the glitzy heights of Hollywood stardom, Kevin Hart has amassed not just a fortune, but a collection of luxuries that many can only dream of. But what does a day in the life of one of the world's highest-paid comedians look like? From sprawling mansions and flashy cars to exclusive experiences in high-end fashion, let's dive deep into Kevin Hart's insane luxury lifestyle that's as captivating as his performances. Mansions galore. Kevin Hart's real estate portfolio is nothing short of impressive. His primary residence, a stunning mansion located in the exclusive neighborhoods of Calabasas, California, is a testament to his success and refined taste. This property, sprawling over acres, boasts state-of-the-art amenities including a fully equipped gym, a massive pool, and even a personal cinema. The design reflects Hart's personality, sophisticated yet welcoming, with spaces that are perfect for both family life and hosting lavish parties. The comedian's journey from humble beginnings to owning such a palatial home is not just a reflection of his financial success, but also of his desire for a space that embodies comfort, luxury, and privacy. The mansion, with its manicured lawns and exquisite interiors, serves as a personal retreat for Hart, away from the hustle and bustle of Hollywood. Beyond his Calabasas estate, Hart has invested in real estate across the country, each property reflecting his growing stature and evolving tastes. These investments are not just mere acquisitions. They are carefully chosen, each with unique features that cater to the Hart family's lifestyle. Whether it's a beachfront villa for vacations or a city apartment for business stays, each property in Hart's collection is a piece of a jigsaw that together illustrates his journey from a stand-up comedian to a global entertainment icon. Exotic car collection. For Kevin Hart, cars are not just a mode of transport, they are a passion. His garage is filled with some of the world's most luxurious and high-performance vehicles, each telling a story of craftsmanship and engineering excellence. At the heart of his collection is a rare and custom-made Ferrari, a symbol of speed, elegance, and exclusivity. This isn't just any car, it's a masterpiece on wheels, reflecting Hart's status and his appreciation for fine automotive engineering. The comedian is often seen driving around in this beauty, a testament to his love for fast cars and the finer things in life. But the Ferrari is just the beginning. Hart's collection boasts a variety of vehicles, from classic muscle cars restored to their former glory to cutting-edge electric vehicles that represent the future of motoring. Each car is selected with a discerning eye, not just for its aesthetics or performance, but for its ability to make a statement. For Hart, these cars are more than just possessions. They are an extension of his personality, a way to connect with his love for speed and innovation, and an expression of his journey from a kid with dreams to a man who has achieved them. Exclusive experiences. Kevin Hart's lifestyle is not confined to tangible luxuries. It extends to once-in-a-lifetime experiences that money can't easily buy. From front-row seats at major sporting events to VIP access at the hottest shows and concerts, Hart enjoys the best the world has to offer. These experiences are a far cry from his early days in stand-up comedy, where the goal was simply to make the audience laugh. Now he's often the guest of honor, rubbing shoulders with other celebrities and influencers, a testament to his hard work and success. But perhaps the most exclusive aspect of Hart's lifestyle is his access to people and places that are usually off-limits to the general public. Whether it's a private dinner with world-renowned chefs or a backstage pass to meet his favorite artists, Hart's celebrity status opens doors to experiences that most can only dream of. These moments, though fleeting, are a crucial part of his luxury lifestyle, offering him not just enjoyment but also inspiration for his work. For Kevin Hart, luxury is not just about owning the best but also experiencing the best, creating memories that last a lifetime. Kevin Hart's insane luxury lifestyle is a blend of hard-earned success, refined taste, and an unyielding passion for the finer things in life. From his impressive real estate portfolio and exotic car collection to his access to exclusive experiences, Hart's lifestyle is a testament to his journey from a young comic to a global superstar. High-end fashion and jewelry. Kevin Hart has also made a name for himself in the world of high-end fashion and jewelry. Known for his impeccable style, Hart is often seen donning outfits from the world's most prestigious designers. Whether he's attending a red carpet event, a movie premiere, or just out and about, his fashion choices speak volumes about his taste and status. But it's not just about the brands, it's about making a statement. Hart's ability to blend classic styles, with modern trends sets him apart in the fashion world. His wardrobe is a mix of custom suits, casual wear, and everything in between, each piece carefully selected to reflect his personality and stature. Beyond clothing, Hart's affinity for luxury extends to jewelry and watches. His collection includes pieces from some of the most exclusive brands, each telling a story of craftsmanship, history, and luxury. Watches in particular are a significant part of Hart's collection, with pieces that are rare and often custom-made. These aren't just timekeeping devices, they're symbols of achievement, milestones in Hart's career that he wears with pride. Philanthropy and investments. Amid the splendor of his lifestyle, Kevin Hart's commitment to philanthropy and smart investments reveal a deeper layer to his character. Hart is not just about spending. He's equally focused on giving back and building a legacy that goes beyond entertainment. His philanthropic efforts are wide-ranging, from supporting natural disaster relief efforts to funding scholarships for underprivileged youth. Hart's approach to philanthropy is hands-on, often involving himself in campaigns and using his platform to raise awareness and funds for causes close to his heart. This aspect of his life underscores a fundamental truth, that true luxury lies in the ability to make a positive impact. Moreover, Hart's savvy investments in various industries showcase his foresight and business acumen. From tech startups to fashion brands and beyond, Hart has diversified his portfolio, ensuring that his wealth not only grows but also contributes to innovation and entrepreneurship. These investments are a testament to Hart's understanding that wealth should be dynamic, creating opportunities for others while securing his financial future. Kevin Hart's insane luxury lifestyle is a multidimensional tapestry woven from his achievements, tastes, and values. From lavish homes and high-performance cars to fashion, philanthropy, and investments, Hart's life is a testament to what's possible when talent meets relentless work ethic and savvy decision-making. However, beyond the luxury and the extravagance lies a man who understands the importance of giving back, making a difference, and building a legacy that transcends material wealth. Kevin Hart's lifestyle, in all its opulence and complexity, is not just about enjoying the spoils of success. It's about inspiring others to dream big, work hard, and live life with passion and purpose. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. For more awesome content, have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.